Let's build one of the simplest of synthesizers, which is a theremin. It is a sine wave oscillator that has control over the pitch and the volume. So all we have is an oscillator, a modulator for the pitch of the oscillator, and a VCA that can be modulated. And the key to the theremin is that it uses antennas. And Depfer makes the A178 theremin voltage source. It comes with an antenna, and then as you get your hand close to it, hopefully you can see the plus-minus button. This is basically showing you whether it's going to be a gate or not, but there's also a CV out, which is much more sensitive and will slowly give you a control voltage that's higher as this comes out. What we do is we take a sine wave oscillator, one we've prepared earlier, take that into a VCA, audio in 1, audio out 2. I've got basically just a little mixer here, and out of the VCA to the speakers. And then I just have to patch my 2 modulators. So I've got my theremin voltage source here. I'll take my CV out. And let's say that this one will be for volume, because I think that's traditional. No, right hand would be for pitch, wouldn't it? So we'll take that into CV1 of the oscillator. And then we're going to take the other antenna on the other side of the system, conveniently placed so that they won't get interfered with, CV out of that into the VCA. So this is incredibly difficult to control, and I am terrible at playing it, but you can hear that my right hand is controlling the volume, and my left hand controlling the pitch. And if I were better at this, I could play you a violin concerto on it. But you can see very simply with 4 modules, so 2 theremin volt sources, you can build a theremin with a sine wave oscillator and a VCA.